So we can't have anything very low because this is what she does. Come on. Come on, sweetie. She'll take the ornaments and she'll throw it down. Where are you going now? Hey, where are you going? No, no. That's the doggy spot. No, no. Let's go. Yeah, no, no. You want to come in here with Mom? Hey! Mommy said no. Come on. Good girl. Oh! Did you slip? Did you slip and fall? Hey! No, no. Hey! Mom said no. Thank you. Doggies. Can you give your doggy a kiss?
Mama.
Aww. Doggies. Can you kiss the doggy? Right, Sassy. Sit. Sit. Perrin, sit. 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 Okay, now you can kiss the doggies, Azalea. Doggies. Mm-hmm. Kiss your doggy. Hey, Sassy, sit. Aww. Aww. Where's your meow meow? Oh, there's a kiss. Oh, meow meow. Aw, did you kiss the kitty? You kiss Meow Meow? She left you? You're upset? She wouldn't stay there? Oh, no, no, you can't go in there, honey. That's a no-no. You know better than that. Doggy. Hey, Perrin, stay. Stop. Stop. So Zaylee can play with you. Hi, Zaylee.
Hi, Zaylee.
You want to play with the doggy too? Mm-hmm. Doggy. Can you say doggy? Doggy.
Mama.
Aw, you kissing the doggy? Uh-huh. Here's a doggy. Mm-hmm. You like your doggy? Uh-huh. You like your doggy? No. Woof, woof. What does the dog sound like? Woof, woof. What does a cat sound like? Good job. What does a monkey sound like? You're so cute. Yes. What does a dog sound like? No, that's a monkey. A doggy sounds like woof, woof. Woof, woof. What does a cow sound like?
Mama.
Moo.
This.
What? What do you want? You're so cute.
Stop.
Okay, I love you. Bye. Say bye.
Hey.